Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne here. I'm just working on a townhouse, and we are having this serious problem with pigeon feces. Okay, the pigeons are a real problem in Melbourne, as you can see how disgusting that is, and they've got eggs, and and they're building. If you look in here, look at that, they've actually got chicks and everything right there. And this is, it's just such a massive problem. I mean, I feel really bad to have to remove these nests. But so that's this side. Now, the solution we've done is we've cleaned it, we've washed it, and we've also sanitized it. So it's really important, because pigeon poo for humans, it can be a real problem from a contact perspective if you're in touch with the feces. So we must sanitize the areas that we work in, and then as a final solution, in a hope and attempt that they don't nest here again, that we've put in all these brushes. Okay, these are the largest brush that we can use for a box gutter, and we've basically done that right around the property. So we've put them in right along all the guttering, and then also, if you notice here, in the downpipes, so they cannot nest in there. It is an ongoing problem for a lot of people in Melbourne. If we can help you with this, then certainly stay in touch, and don't forget, if you haven't seen it already, have a look at our solar bird proofing option as well, because that is also another big issue in Melbourne, is the pigeons and other birds are nesting underneath solar panels as a way to raise their young. And yeah, okay, I hope that's helpful, and stay in touch if we can help you.